Hi guys, welcome to my channel Niki Decoart. Hope you're all well. Today's piece is a 12-inch round canvas, and my previous one, my previous video should I say, Aurus, it has inspired me to do a liquid gold series. I love the gold. The last time I used Amsterdam gold, precious gold. Today I'm using Jo Sonja, rich gold, totally different gold. And I shall try and use a different gold in every one, and we can see the difference. Okay then, so I'll let you watch, and as always the colours are all listed in the description box below. Just click on the video title and it will take you straight there, all the brands, etc. Everything's listed there. Okay then.
You say you will, I know you won't. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. You're just a spinning wheel and I can keep it up. Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do not this night. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I know you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me your every wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off when I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way.
Okay then, so thank you so much for being here with me again today. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. And everybody take care, stay safe, and please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.